Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. So the SUI chart hasn't changed much. We just pushed a little bit higher since yesterday, but I've made a slight adjustment to the wave structure, wave count, micro wave structure. And it's not a change that we haven't talked about before. I showed you yesterday that it is very much, and a couple of days ago, that it's very much possible that we might just be extending in this third wave here. And I've now made the change. I think I had the third here and then set maybe an A wave down, high B wave, but it doesn't look like a high B wave anymore. It makes sense to interpret this as a larger third wave. Well, it's just extending basically, yeah, which makes sense as well because I can, with the structure here, it even looks better now. So that we say, okay, we have our 1, 2, and that was another 1, 2. This is a third, which itself is a 1. Just think 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4, 5 in 3. So, and then this is a subwave structure again. So there's lots of there are lots of fractal structures in that third wave, but it can be interpreted also as a 5-wave move up. And then here 4 and 5 of 3, so we get another 4, 5. That's the idea at least. Do we need that additional 4, 5? No, I would say alternatively, my previous wave count is still very much valid, but I did say to you that I find this it's a bit too weak for fourth wave of that wave degree, especially considering the duration of that wave 2. So I would prefer that we see another healthy wave 4 before completing this rally in circle wave 3. So that means all that means is we have a support area to watch, which I have just adjusted a little bit higher, right? So it's now between $2.50 and $2.99, or let's say $3. So between easy to remember, between $2.50 and $3, we now have micro support for a possible corrective pullback. These are the risk levels that matter now on the SUI chart in the very short term. We have even reached the next upside fib target, 352, which was expected to be reached anyway, either directly or in that fifth wave. So I would still assume that we get one more 4-5 pattern before a more substantial correction starts, best I can tell, right? So the $4.24 level would be the next upside level now. It's a 200% extension, and that's just the next fib level. And there is not only that 200% extension level located, no, we also have a larger degree fib level at 430, very close, 123.6 fib extension. So there could be some good resistance there because a couple of different wave degree Fibonacci levels meet there. This is where everybody meets at 420 or 430. So that means if the price gives us a pullback now, it could take a little while, and it would be that wave 4 before then a final wave 5 happens. This is pretty much in line with Bitcoin's wave count. I mean, have you noticed? Bitcoin's count is expected to give us a 4-5 pattern and another 4-5, and that could be the top. Yeah, that could be the bull market top. But that's not confirmed yet. At least then we could say that one of Bitcoin's wave counts is full. But again, it's not always clear that they always move together. But yeah, this is what I'm watching. If we get a break below $2.50 now, I would have to assume the larger fourth wave is already unfolding. In that case, support is now larger degree support. That's really bullish support on this chart. Not on the micro level, really the main bullish support on the chart. It's also located here around the previous swing lows from October now. It's between 162 and 195. So that level this area needs to hold to maintain an overall bullish outlook. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.